The way our business requirement is changing every day, we should understand the requirement, that why the business is going to change every day on day. There are many more factors, more changes are coming into the business, and how the business is going to present with the help of the digital marketing and your channel. This is very important. So let me discuss here about the digital marketing and your channel, how this is going to help in your business. And if you are not using the digital marketing as of date, if you are not using the digital channel as of date, you should start to use this, because over the period of the time, if you are not using this, you will be completely out from the market. You will be completely out. The power of the digital marketing and your connection is much more. There are more growth, more power to connect, more ability to find out the business, the new creative opportunities through the help of the digital channel and your marketings. The persons who are using the digital marketing and your category can be able to understand much more as compared to the other who are not using as of date. You should never ignore the importance of the digital marketing and their channel as of date. There are very more power. When you are going to organize your business, you have a good amount of scope in your business, but unfortunately you are not able to deliver, you are not able to find out the way that where we should go and do more and more ads in order to increase the portfolio of the product or services. The digital marketing or their channel is the right place. So what are those categories where we can go and do more and more advertisement in order to find out more and more business opportunities? Search engine operations, search engine marketing, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, viral marketing, remarketing, content marketing, email marketings, influencer marketings, television ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, mobile ads. There are many more. You find out that what kind of categories are going to help you and grow in your business rapidly. You have to find out that. Imagine you are not using the digital marketing and their channel. Over the period of the time, the technology is going to integrate with the digital marketing. The big fish will always be a fish and the small fish is going to be killed, because you are not aware about those changes which are required to implement in your business. I'm not an expert in the digital marketing, but I'm also managing, I'm also handling those kind of business. I know the importance of digital marketing, how the digital marketing is going to increase your business portfolio, how the digital marketing is going to increase the brand value of your business. This is very important to understand. And this is not for only the business. Imagine other than business. You are working as a housewife and you wanted to find out something. How you will going to find out? You wanted to purchase something from the Flipkarts, Amazon, and any other social platform. How you are going to purchase? You are not purchasing from the Amazon or the Flipkart, but you just like there. You will find out that wherever you are going, you will find out one pop-up message is coming there, one small pictures in the corner of your mobile. It's just reflecting. What is that? It is simply giving you the opportunity that what you have liked, if you have forget those, no, I'm just giving you a sample copy of that. The power of digital marketing is much more. There are a perfect teams are sitting there who is providing all those data informations. They are all taking all those informations and providing you. It is very important to understand. For every sector of your life, the digital marketing is going to help. You wanted to search the best hospital across the world, across India. You will find out the best hospital within a second. through the help of the digital marketing, through the help of the internet marketing. You want to find out some best institutions for your educations, you will find out within a second. This is the power of the digital marketing. So every class of the persons, the digital marketing is going to help much more. It is up to you only that how you are going to organize and find out the opportunity, creating those opportunities for yourself and for your business. Start to do and organize your business, organize your work with the help of digital channel and their platform, and bring more success in your business and in your life. This is Sajjan Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.